Hey, it's Julian Gordon from the Multifamily Movement. I'm actually here at an open house in New Orleans. This is the 3-family, 9-bedroom home, and I'm considering buying it. If you are a renter or a single-family homeowner, imagine what would happen for you if your rent expense or your mortgage of $800 a month, $1,200 a month, $1,500 a month, instead of it being an expense, was actually revenue into your pocket. Imagine what would change in your life professionally, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and of course, financially. A lot would change, and I know that because that changed for me. I bought my first multifamily home in Brooklyn, New York, a 3-family home, and ever since then, I've never paid a housing expense in my life. Why? Because all of my mortgages are paid by my tenants. I currently have 9 multifamily homes, so with 21 different doors serving over 50 people. And I'm talking people from Section 8 to recent college grads and working professionals to elderly folk who are twice my age. And one of my favorite things is that I have a house that's actually dedicated to recovering alcoholics. This is the power of owning land. This is the power of owning real estate. And I want to empower you with the tools that have equipped me to build this multifamily movement that I'm creating. And so I want to invite you to a webinar that I'm doing coming up. And in that webinar, I'm going to cover 3 things. First is going to be the multifamily map, which is how do you even go around your own neighborhood or your community or even beyond and find markets that are good to invest in, that have good cash flow, and that have good appreciation potential. Then I'm going to do multifamily math, which is the numbers. How do you quickly evaluate deals to make sure that you're getting a good deal, that that deal has upside for you, and that you've bought right, meaning that you have equity in the home the moment you sign the purchase agreement. And finally, we're going to cover the most important thing, which is the multifamily mindset. You have to change your mindset around wealth, around money, around debt, and around real estate if you want to win in this game. And so make sure you register for the webinar before the prices of real estate get too high to buy or rent rises too high for you to save. All right, peace.